Hey, are you high in Moscow? I promise, it's not a tumor. It's not a tumor. Just ask Arnold. That's the governor. And speaking of which, ask the fucking roastinator or something. We'll come up with a better joke. Fucking it's 420. Fired up supply day. Tattoo dancer. God damn it. You're gonna be John Lord one day. No, you're not. You don't even have a mustache. Stop it. All right, Randy, sit down. We get the point.